Deep in the moonlit jungles of the Amazon, you can hear the faint sound of rustling leaves and cracking twigs as an eight-legged hairy monster moves slowly and methodically along a dampened earth. It's nightfall, and the tarantula-like creature is on the hunt when it suddenly stops for a moment to carefully sense the air and listen for movement before slowly lumbering on. To some local villagers, this eight-legged creature is the stuff of nightmares. Stories abound how the creature suddenly appears from the shadows of the dark forest underbrush and pounces with lightning speed, tearing flesh and bone with razor-sharp 2-inch fangs before injecting its hapless victim with nerve-paralyzing venom. Village elders tell sad stories about missing pets and even small infants who were snatched while sleeping and dragged off by the giant arthropod. According to Guinness World Records, the rare South American Goliath bird eater is the world's largest spider. Its legs can reach up to 1 foot, it can weigh up to 6 ounces, and the female can live up to 25 years. It has 2-inch long fangs strong enough to pierce a mouse's skull, and it can make a hissing sound by rubbing its hairs together, which sound a lot like pulling Velcro apart. But even this fierce hunter can become the hunted. Occasionally a brave villager will track the marauding giant, sometimes even for days, until he finally destroys it. His village can now once again live in relative calm.